I can't even talk, it's so good. I'm just dancing. Hey guys, welcome back to Vegas Vixen in the kitchen. So I just came back from Tulum, Mexico, where it was gorgeous, and I had some of the greatest food. One of my favorite things that I ate there was the octopus. It was nicely charred, amazing, and I had some of the greatest ceviches too, and so that's why today we're gonna be making cauliflower ceviche. It's super quick, super fast, and easy to make, and a great snack and great for entertaining. So let's get started. Here I have some cauliflower that I pre-chopped and I blanched it with hot water or boiling water. And you can actually buy the cauliflower already pre-made and pre-cut. They usually sell it as cauliflower rice, but they didn't have any, and so I chopped it up myself. So here I have some cauliflower. I have some Roma tomatoes that I'm just gonna dump in here. And then some red onions, finely chopped and diced also. And some Serrano peppers. And we're just going to put some salt in there. It's also nice if you boil the water with salt so it flavors the cauliflower when you blanch it. And then some pepper to taste. And then we're gonna have some fresh lime juice. And I like a lot of lime because I like that sour and freshness. So we're probably gonna use about 2 limes. And when you're serving it, you can also leave some lime wedges. That way, if people want more citrus, they can add it. And I have some cilantro here that I'm just gonna chop up real fast. And just roughly chop it. Doesn't have to be super fine or anything. I love cilantro. Cilantro is actually really good for your kidneys, I've learned. And then we're gonna add that in there. And you can really just add however much you like. So I'm gonna start off with that, and I'll probably add some more after. Now we're gonna give it a nice stir. And you can already smell everything. It's nice and fresh. And it's nicely mixed now. Seems a bit dry, so I'm gonna just add the rest of the limes. Give it another stir, and then we're gonna just set it into the fridge for about 2 hours so that the cauliflower and everything marinates and soaks up all the flavor. Cover it. And then we wait. All right, now that it's about 2 hours, let's give it a little taste. A little stir, taste. I feel like it's missing something. You know what? I think I'm gonna use some orange juice. So it's like a little bit of balance of that sourness from the lime. Let's get this in there. Give it a little stir. Another taste. And it's perfect. All right, let's plate this. Place it over. Set this a little bit up to the side. Let's get some avocado in there. Then fan it out. nice. That's just gonna have to do. And then we're gonna get some chips in there. And I have some blue corn tortillas, chips. We're just gonna lay it over. You can use whatever kind of chips you like. I prefer these, but you can also use varieties since if you can see my plate has 4 different sections, so you can use regular tortilla chips and maybe like the taro chips or plantain chips. It will go really well with that. And there you have it. Cauliflower ceviche. I'm gonna try some. So I'm just gonna make a separate one from this with a little bit of avocado. I can't even talk, it's so good. I'm just dancing. Super bomb. The freshness of the citrus. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, let me know what you think about today's episode. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. And also, before we go, thank you again to La Flor for donating all of these spices. See you next time. I had, can I do that over?